Well, hello everyone on this beautiful day, beginning of January. Today's video, I'm going to be going with my youngest son. We're going to go look for, he wants to buy himself a motorcycle. So we're going to be going over to the Kawasaki dealer to see if they have anything over there. You ready to head over there, Matthew?
Yes, I am.
All right, let's go see what they've got. Go see what they have for inventory. And maybe we'll pick something up today. We'll see. He got his bike license. He went and took a bike course last summer. And we figured this was probably the best time of the year to look for a bike, get a bike. Maybe might have some good inventory and stuff like that. So we'll go see what they have for bikes. I guess we want something like a 650, 450 or 650, something like that. All right, so we'll go see what they've got. Let's head over there. Maybe this will be my son's big purchase. All right, see you guys in a bit. Kind of a gray day today. Dealership is just over here on the left here. Well, this is exciting. Are you excited to go look at this?
Yeah, I'm nervous.
You're nervous?
Yeah.
That's okay. That's the jitterbugs from your first big purchase.
Yeah.
It's fun. This is fun. Go looking at stuff like this, and who knows, maybe we'll see something here. And if we don't, we'll just keep looking. Maybe they'll get stuff later on, but I have a good feeling there about here. He told me what he had there, and we've been kind of looking, and I think that's what we're going to go with. But we don't want to let them know, though, that that's what we want. So we'll go see what they've got, and you don't want to put your cards out there right off the bat, so that way they won't negotiate with you. And plus, I imagine there's a little bit of negotiating. I know bikes must not sell that well in the winter. And plus, it's going to be things I imagine are starting to come down in price. All right, we're just pulling in here. All right, we'll go in and see what we got. They got some side-by-sides out front here. But this is the place. It's called Rock Motorsport. Kawasaki, they sell Kawasaki, KM, KTM, a few other stuff. Nice side-by-side. All right, so what we'll do is we'll go in and see what they've got here to see what they have for inventory, stuff like that. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
All right. All right, they got some inventory here. You got some bikes here, a few bikes there. You got some bikes up on top here. Looks really good. There's a red one over there, a couple bikes over there. I'm not sure what they are. You got a black one up here. There's a Z650 up there, and there's a Ninja right beside it.
Nice.
I don't know if you can see them. You see that black one? You like that?
Yeah, it's a nice black and green. It's a little big.
And then you got that 650 sitting right there. It looks really good.
Yeah.
You like that color?
Yeah, it's a good
So I
color.
think they have black, they have red. And they have something like that, black, red. They got a couple over here. Got some KTMs over here. These are a bit too big, though, I think, for first bike. Might be a bit too big.
Too powerful.
Yeah. Might be too big of stuff. There's a white one over here. Let's go look at the white one that's over here.
Yeah.
Let's see what look at this nice white one here. This is what you're kind of looking for.
I noticed that as soon as we came in.
A Z650. Looks really nice.
Caught my eye. Nice colors.
I like the red frame on it. Look at that red frame. Little Z650. It looks really good. ABS. Brand new.
Yeah, it's a 2022.
2022 model. Well, let's see if it has any mileage on it. It has 1 kilometer. Can't go wrong with that, eh? 1 kilometer on the bike. Looks really good. So what are you thinking about that? What we'll do is we'll get that little part that goes on the back here, so that way nobody can ask you if you want to get a bike like this. If you get a bike like this, nobody will ask you to sit on it, so you get that. What are you thinking of this one?
I think it's beautiful. The colors are stunning. Caught my eye as soon as I got in here.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Is it giving you the jibbies? Getting you all excited, is it?
Yeah.
You wanna? We'll ask them. You wanna? We'll ask about this bike.
Of course.
You wanna ask about this one, or do you wanna ask about that black one that's right up there?
No. I'll ask about
And
that.
there's a Ninja right there too. You don't want the Ninja? You don't want with the fairing, all this stuff? You just want like this?
Yeah.
All right. What we'll do is we'll talk with the salesman here and see what they have to say. Well, if we can come to some kind of a conclusion or something and see if we can do something with this. They got a few bikes, but don't forget this is not the season. I think they have inventory downstairs too. And they have a warehouse, but I don't know, we'll see. He's kind of getting excited with this one here. All right, so we'll go and talk to the salesman and see what he has to say. All right, so we got that one right there that we were looking at, and the cow up beside it. If it'd be up to me, I'd probably just tell him, hey, just get that right there. A little pit bike. A 2023, what is that, a 110R? I know I'd feel a lot better if you just had a little pit bike. Eh?
I think this might be too powerful for me.
Really?
Yeah, too intense.
Too intense? Yeah. So you really want to go with that?
Yeah.
Let's look into it. We'll look into it. We'll ask them what they have to say. Here's the name of the place where we are. All right, just came out talking to the salesman, see what we could do, if it was worth it to get this bike. It's the one, Matthew. Matthew, you really like this bike?
Yes, I do. I really like this bike.
So everything worked out?
Oh, yeah.
Came to an agreement?
We worked something out. Yes, we did.
So you happy? Your first big purchase?
Yes, I am. I'm very happy.
All right. Here, they wanted you to have that.
My first big purchase.
Yeah. I'm happy for you, Matthew. I'm really happy. His first big purchase. So he bought this nice little bike here. All right, so they're going to deliver it next week. And we'll send it over to our shop, put it in there because we can't do it right now. See the weather outside, not very nice. Beginning of January, we can't expect any better than this. All right, everything's all done, everything's all signed. Everyone's happy. You happy there, buddy?
Yep, I'm happy.
Hey, we bought a bike in the middle of winter. Look at all the snow on the ground here. I want to thank them here at the dealership. They made it very simple, very easy. For his first purchase there, it was really easy to do. We really enjoyed that. They gave him a hat. Your next purchase, Matthew, you're going to have to make is going to be one of these Ram TRXs. All right, so I want to thank them again here. They made it really easy for us. So don't forget, you guys, like and subscribe. Do all that stuff that we like if you guys want, but we do appreciate it. All right, next video, we'll probably do a video telling you guys how much this bike ended up costing us. All right, thanks, guys. See you guys.